Area of composite figures. In order to find the area of a composite figure, we first need to divide the figure into the small regular shapes that it's composed of. You can see that in this composite figure we have a half circle here at the top, and we know that the diameter is this dotted line here, 4 meters. Below the half circle we have a rectangle, and the width of that rectangle again is 4 meters and the height is 6 meters. Along the bottom we have another rectangle, and we know that the length is 7 meters. Now, although we don't know the height, we know that this height is 6 meters and this is 3 meters, so this must also be 3 meters. Finally, we have this triangle with a base of 2 meters and a height of 3 meters. Find the area of the half circle here. We'll use the formula A equals pi r squared. The diameter is 4, so the radius is 2. A equals pi times 2 squared, so A equals 3.14 times 4. A is equal to 12.56 square meters. However, that would be the area of a circle, and this is only the area of a half circle, so we're going to divide that by 2, and it gives us an area of 6.28 square meters. I'm actually going to write that up here so we can remember it for later. So now let's find the area of this rectangle. We know that the formula for area of a rectangle is area equals length times width, or base times height. And the width is equal to 4 meters and the length is equal to 6. So the area is 24 square meters. And again, I'm going to write this over here and save it for later. Now we need to find the area of this other rectangle on the bottom, but we can see now that it isn't a rectangle because we've already found some of the area. So what are the measurements? Well, we can see that the base was 7 meters, but the width of this figure was 4 meters. So in fact, this must be 3 meters. So it is in fact a square. And area of a square, we know the formula is A equals S squared. So A is equal to 3 squared, or 9. And again, I'm going to write it over here and save it for later. So we've found the area of this square. Now all we need is to find the area of the triangle. And we know the formula for area of a triangle is A equals base times height divided by 2. So the area is equal to 2 times 3 divided by 2. The area is 3 square meters. And again, I'm going to write that over here. So now that we've found the area of all the parts, all we have to do is add them up. So we've got 6.28 square meters and 24 square meters and 9 square meters and 3 square meters. And when we add them all up, we get 42.28 square meters. And that's the area of this composite figure.